This is a brand new Lamborghini Gallardo LP570 by AUTOart Performance. Hello everyone, welcome to External Star Channel. My name is Marek, as you already know, and today I will be unboxing and reviewing this beautiful Lamborghini Gallardo LP570, and now excuse my pronunciation, Supertrofeo Stradale. Maybe it's a little bit different in Italian, but this is how I read it. So it's 1 to 18, of course, it's by AUTOart, it's the performance series, and actually what I will do today is that I will not fully unbox it, I will not fully remove it, because what I want to do is to resell this model. So I want to resell it as brand new, so this is why I will not remove all the wires which are below the car, and I will also not remove those red stripes. So probably I will not be even able to open the car, but at least I will remove it out of the box for a while and show it to you in the light box. Okay, so it's now out of the box, and we can clearly see the car and its features. And I must say one thing, every time I remove an AUTOart out of the box, the color of the paint is much nicer and more beautiful when the direct sunlight is going to it. And also this color, even if it's gray, in the box it was somehow not really shiny, but now when it's out of the box, oh wow, the color is really beautiful. And now I'm again considering if to keep this car or not. Yeah, my plan is still to sell it, because I want to keep only the most beautiful cars and the most exotic, and this one probably is not the most exotic Lamborghini or not the most exotic sports car out there. But I believe for those who are collecting just Lamborghinis, this should not be missed. Yeah, and the reason why I bought this one is it was still on the Black Friday last year, so I already have it for 2 months now, but I didn't have a chance to review it yet, yeah, because I was so busy recently, and let me do it now. So let's start here in the front, okay? And you can see here the beautiful Lamborghini logo, and also the clear transparent lights which have some depth, which is also very nice here. You can see, yeah, this is beautifully done. And what I also like here is this perforated air intake, and it's actually very nicely done, and it's not plastic, this part here. So when we see it from the side, then we have a very beautiful wheels here, and you can also see the brake calipers in red. You can see the brake disc with all the tiny holes in it, very nicely done. And also the rims, yeah, I like it, it's nice reflective black color. And we also have 5 screws here and the Lamborghini logo inside. Yeah, so it's beautiful. You can of course turn the wheels, and it's quite like 20-25 degrees, nothing more, nothing less. Okay, and then there is a very nice effect on those side mirrors. You can see here it's covered by carbon fiber, and then we have those, I will not open them, but we have the nice doors, and it's actually, maybe just let me try a little bit. And what I need is probably this. Okay, so I will just open a little bit because there is still this connecting plastic part, which I will not remove because it's very difficult to put it back later. But you can see that on this Lamborghini, door is being open to the side, not like on the last Lamborghini Diablo that I reviewed, because the door is opening up. And I actually think that there is this differentiator. So if the door is opening up, then the car is more exotic, and if it's opening to the side, then it's more regular. Yeah, what do you think? Maybe that's true. The rear side, and we can see actually here 4 exhausts, and there is some depth to it, and there is also this braking light here, almost invisible, and I'm not sure if there is another braking light here, so there could be 2 of them. Yeah, at least it looks like. And we have actually quite nice LED lights here, and it reminds me very much of some Audi R8. It looks so much similar like Audi R8, and I think Lamborghini is part of Volkswagen group, just like Audi. So I think there is some common design, and maybe the same person was designing those rear lights for Audi R8 and this Lamborghini Gallardo. Okay, that's just my estimation, yeah? That's my guess. Okay, and here another Lamborghini, very beautiful sign, and we also see here this, what is it? Supertrofeo Stradale. Is it Stradale? Okay. So the license plate only says this, and there is also a flag, racing flag. And there's actually no license plate in the front. Yeah, so I'm not sure if this is really a road car. It is, I know it is, but to really customize for a diorama, we would probably need to also place some custom-made license plate somewhere here. I don't even know how to attach it, so maybe I will download some real pictures of this car and how the license plate is applicated here, because there is a dedicated place in the back, but there is nothing in the front, and honestly I don't know how to attach it here. Yeah, with all those angles here, and there is no like flat area. Okay, and what is very interesting is actually the engine part. We can see the Lamborghini engine, and there are some nice details, but just like on the Diablo I reviewed earlier, I don't see like so many things here, like where is the battery, or other details. At least here I can see that I can change the oil here. Yeah, that's the only thing that I can do probably here, and maybe here that would be the liquid fluid for the windshield cleaning fluid. Yeah. And here I don't know, maybe some turbos and so on, and this is the atmospheric engine. I don't see all the cylinders. In the beginning I thought like, oh, where is the glass here, or something is missing. Yeah, so definitely, and then I found it here, so it's just attached below. And when I show you also here, it's attached by this wire, and this is also another thing that I will not remove, so I will just keep it like it is. Same here. Yeah, so the new owner that will buy this car will be very happy and can do it himself. So it's also the same here with this area, which I will not be able to open because there is the wire. Yeah, so yeah, it's really impossible now with the wire being still in place. So I will not even do it. But usually there is nothing so much interesting like the Lamborghini Diablo. Yeah, there's just a small area, you can put some luggage there, but that's it. Okay, and then also what is maybe interesting, there are 2 wipers here, and on some other super sports car there is maybe only 1 huge, but here we see two big. And what I also maybe want to show you is a little bit of the interior, and now I'm curious if I will be able to really show you. Okay, good. So it's also quite visible with the door being closed. So there is some radio steering wheel and so on, red seats. Yeah, okay, and this one, it should not be able, yeah, I'm not able to open the gas door, obviously. Yeah, there are only few cars where I can do that. Now I also noticed here there is this small, is it the LP, yeah, LP570 570. Okay. So yeah, so overall, very beautiful car, and if you are collecting super sports cars, like I only collect few of them, yeah. So what I want to keep are only cars that are somehow connected to my heart, yeah, which is mostly all of the luxurious black limousines, some of the rare cars, some Rolls-Royce, Bentleys, and so on. And in terms of sports cars, I like to review them because they are beautiful, but I will probably not keep them. I will only keep those which were somehow connected to my memories from the childhood, like the Lamborghini Diablo and how I was dreaming about this. But this is somehow, I have no personal feelings about this car. It's beautiful, beautifully done, a nice job, AUTOart, but for me personally, I will not keep it. I will just resell it. So that's it. Now maybe I will also show it to you in the light tent. Alright, so let me also show it to you here in the light box, and maybe some details will be more visible, and also if you are making your decision now whether to buy this car or not, maybe this will convince you. And especially those wheels are really beautiful. I like them. This is maybe the best part on this car. Maybe also those small details like the carbon fiber here everywhere. It's like here, it's here, then it's also here. So it's very, very beautiful. And actually, what I also like now here, I can show it to you once again, this air intake here and how it's done. This is just brilliant, yeah. The only thing maybe I don't really understand is why there is a tiny hole here. Maybe somebody can explain it to me in the comments. I don't know what's the purpose. And yeah, from the other side, it's very beautiful as well. And actually in the back, this part is perforated too. And maybe the technology that they use for creating those parts is this photo etching of tiny metal parts. And what I also wanted to mention is that the engine part is really, really nice. Yeah, it's not visible now. I can't really fit it here. But this car, definitely, this is metal. Yeah, so really the original metal AUTOart. This is not plastic composite, as they call it. Yeah, it's really metal, and this is also what I appreciate because I like heavy models, and when I have the good feeling when I touch it, yeah, not it's also cold. What I didn't mention last time when I was reviewing those plastic cars, I'm missing this cold touch. Yeah, when I touch something plastic, it's not cold, and it feels like very vulnerable. So it's dangerous to manipulate all the small plastic part, but here I feel more safe, so I can touch it. I have this cold feeling. Beautiful. Okay, so I think that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and now on the time for the final review.